What's happening? Lens here, and in this video I'll be showing you how you can factory reset your Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus. So let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech videos, and also like this video and also share this video on social media. With the device, as usual, we need to go into settings, which I'm going to do now, and we want to look for backup and reset, or we want to look for factory reset, right? So you want to look, it will be backup and reset, or it will be factory reset your device. So you want to hit reset here. You can see factory data reset. You can also do reset network settings. So when you press this, it will ask you, because you will be losing all of your data. Every single thing will be erased, as you can see here, right? I have this Facebook thing in the way there. Factory data reset, and when you hit the button here, you will lose everything. So once you hit the reset button, your phone will factory reset. So guys, this is how you can factory reset your phone. You want to go into settings, and then you want to reset your phone. And also you can do a hard reset by using the power button and also the volume up along with the power button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and join the Lens Empire. Also like this video. I'm out.